Your body's weirdest reflex, the hiccup, holds ancient secrets. It's an involuntary spasm of your diaphragm muscle. This large muscle pulls down suddenly. Immediately, your glottis between vocal cords snaps shut. This rapid closure creates the characteristic hic sound. A complex reflex arc controls this process. The vagus and phrenic nerves are key players. Signals from your brainstem travel to the diaphragm. One theory links hiccups to amphibian ancestors. Tadpoles close their glottis to breathe with gills. Another idea: it helps suckling mammals burp air. Fetuses hiccup at 10 weeks, possibly practicing breathing. Triggers include fast eating or carbonated drinks. Persistent hiccups over 48 hours need medical review. Your simple hiccup is a profound biological mystery.